Hello everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'll be showing you how you use favorites feed on Instagram. So let's jump right in. Go ahead and open your Instagram app, but don't go to your profile, just remain on the feed page. What you have to do is go ahead and scroll a little bit until that arrow that points down appears next to the Instagram logo. What you want to do then is just go ahead and click on that, and then go ahead and click on the second option, favorites. As you can see, I have no favorites selected. You just have to go ahead and click on add favorites, and then here you can see that they have some suggested favorites for you based on your activity. To get started, you can confirm these suggested favorites based on your activity on Instagram. You just go ahead and remove those if you don't agree with them, and just go ahead and search for your own right here, and then just go ahead and add them. And after you've added them, let's just confirm those. As you can see, this is my favorite feed. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Till next time, have a great day.